Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python with mobile. First, download a reputable Python IDE app from your App Store. These apps provide a complete coding environment, allowing you to write, run, and debug Python code directly on your smartphone or tablet. Many also include interactive lessons and challenges, making it easy to start your coding journey without needing a computer. This flexibility means you can learn during commutes or whenever you have a few spare minutes. When selecting a mobile app, prioritize those with a robust Python interpreter and a user-friendly code editor. Apps like Pidroid 3 for Android or Pythonista for iOS are popular choices, offering a comprehensive set of features. Many provide offline access, so you can continue learning even without an internet connection. Also, check for community support or integrated forums where you can ask questions and get help from other learners. This ensures a smooth and supported learning experience. To maximize your mobile Python learning, begin with fundamental concepts like variables, data types, and control flow. Once you grasp the basics, challenge yourself with small projects, such as building a simple calculator or a text-based game. Consistent practice is key. Aim for at least 15 minutes of coding every day. Many apps offer gamified learning paths and daily challenges, which can keep you motivated and track your progress effectively. Remember, repetition solidifies understanding. As you progress, consider exploring more advanced Python libraries relevant to your interests, such as NumPy for numerical computing or Pandas for data analysis. These can significantly expand your capabilities. Don't forget to engage with online Python communities. They are excellent resources for project inspiration, troubleshooting, and networking with other developers. Also, if you're looking to enhance your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Keep coding and enjoy the journey of mastering Python.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.